I got this new boat today and I was really excited, and it's pretty inexpensive and I love playing in the water, and it's called the Uter RC Venom Powerboat. It's super fun, super fast, really fun to play with in the water, like really good. I'm going to give you a quick review of it, and then we're going to go play out in the water.
This lid on, you have to make sure it's sealed on really tight so water doesn't get in. That I like about this boat is when you just put it in the water, it automatically turns on. There's no switch at all. It's pretty simple. You just put the battery in, charge it for about 90 minutes, and then you have playtime for about 10 minutes, and it's pretty cool. So it's a 2.4 gigahertz controller. The battery switch is right here, so when you turn it on, you'll see a red button, and then it'll start beeping. This takes about 4 AA batteries in the compartment in this area. Let's go out there. We're heading out to this lake, and we're gonna tear it up. We're gonna see what it can do. And the lake's a little bit frozen, so I don't know how it'll do, but let's see. Also, this thing has a max speed up to 15 miles per hour, probably. It's pretty fast for how little it is. Okay, so as you just know, you just put it in the water, turn on the controller. Okay.
Okay, so we came back in because it's freezing cold outside, and I didn't want to be out there too terribly long. So I'm going to show you how to drain the water out and then put it up for the evening. So let's get to it. So you just want to put this switch off, and then it'll click off. Then let's sit for a couple seconds, and then it'll happen sometimes if you're out there for a little bit, but that's basically it. So I'd rate this vehicle for about 4 stars because for its price, it's pretty durable, and I've never really seen a boat that cheap for 15 miles an hour. I mean, that's pretty good. The bad thing about it is probably it's not the best for like if you're wanting to go like super fast or boat races or any of that stuff. It's not meant for that. It's probably just for the summer for playtime and that stuff. But it's a pretty good boat overall. I like it, and I think you should get one.